Hey everyone, it's Justine, and the future of content creation is here. We're talking 360-degree cameras, people. Insta360 just dropped a bomb. It's called the X5, and let me tell you, this thing is epic. Get ready to capture the world like never before. The Insta360 X5 is the most powerful 360-degree camera they've ever made. No joke. This is the camera that will change the game. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the X5 is your ticket to stunning 360-degree content. Get ready to blow your audience away. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new level of awesome. We're talking 8K video, people. That's right, 8K 360-degree footage that will make you feel like you're right in the action. The clarity is mind-blowing. Plus, you can shoot super smooth 5.7K video at a buttery 60 frames per second. Say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to cinematic masterpieces.
One of the coolest things about the X5 is Insta-frame mode. Ever shoot in 360 degrees and then struggle to decide which angle to use? Problem solved. Insta-frame mode lets you record the full 360-degree action while simultaneously capturing a perfectly framed flat video. Mind-blowing, right? But wait, there's more. Insta360 knows that lenses can get banged up. So they gave the X5 a replaceable lens system. Scratched your lens? No problem. Just swap it out and you're good to go. This is a game changer for adventurers and clumsy creators like myself. And don't even get me started on the audio. The X5 has a built-in wind guard and a mesh shield that will blow you away. Crystal clear audio even in the windiest conditions. No more muffled sound. Your videos will sound as good as they look.
Now let's talk about the brains of this beast. The X5 is packing some serious power under the hood. We're talking new sensors and AI chips that will make your jaw drop. Compared to the X4, the X5's sensors are massive, like 144% larger. That means better low-light performance and stunning image quality, even when the sun goes down. And hold on tight because the stabilization on this thing is insane. Insta360's flow state stabilization keeps your shots buttery smooth, no matter how rough the action gets. Plus, with 360-degree horizon lock, your videos will stay perfectly level, even if you rotate the camera a full 360 degrees. It's like magic. But wait, there's even more. The X5 is waterproof up to 49 feet. That means you can take it diving, surfing, or even just for a swim in the pool without worrying about a thing. And with a battery life of up to 80 minutes, you can capture all the action without missing a beat.
So, how much will this all set you back? The Insta360 X5 is available right now for just $549.99. That's an incredible price for a camera this powerful. And if you want even more, you can grab the Essentials bundle for $659.99. The Insta360 X5 is perfect for anyone who wants to capture and share their world in a whole new way. Whether you're a blogger, a vlogger, an athlete, or just someone who loves to adventure, the X5 is the perfect camera for you. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and capture something amazing.